How to manage language and religion on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage language and religion on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here on top corner, and then go down and click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and click language and region, and here you can manage anything you want, and then just click this one save, and here just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to manage language and region on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.